Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert, and in this video, we're going to show you how to clean your couch or your sofa, no matter what you call it, using a carpet cleaning machine by Rug Doctor. First of all, you're going to choose whatever soap. Only use the Rug Doctor soap in here. Don't use any bleach, any dyes, or anything like that. It's a rental machine and you have to return it. This metal wire right here pops off, and then you kind of lift this little housing up. This is the dirty water tank. So after you're cleaning the carpet, all the dirty and nastiness that comes from the cleaning goes in this, and this is what you either dump down the drain or down the toilet. The clean water goes inside down here. Now you're going to follow the instructions on whatever kind of soap that you buy. Typically it's about a half a cup of cleaner per gallon of hot tap water. So we already pre-mixed that in here. And you go ahead and just pour it into that reservoir. And this holds just a little bit more than a gallon, but I would just use a gallon of water, and you'll see that as you fill it up, it kind of comes up over the top there and over the little filter area. And remember, the clean water goes in the bottom. This is the dirty water tank. And then you put it back inside, place that over the top, click it, plug the unit in, and then there's a button on the top here that says carpet or tool. One of the things you're going to notice on these rental units is there's a master power switch right here, and this power switch needs to be on. The unit won't be on, but it's basically like a breaker that when you plug the unit in, if that's not on, the unit won't work. So just make sure that's on before you go ahead and plug it in. This is the carpet cleaning tool attachment. So you would use this wand that has a trigger on the end of it for cleaning upholstery. You would also use it if you're cleaning stair carpeting as well. All right, so on the end of this, you've got the suction hose here and the water line where the solution is going to go through. And you'll see on the back of the machine, there's kind of corresponding fittings here. This is what's used on the bottom of the machine come up. Now this is just kind of fit inside here. You're going to grab this, and it's a little stiff, but you're going to pull this out so it's disconnected. Then on this fitting here where there's this rubber washer, there's a little retaining ring here that you pull down and you pull this out of the way. Now you take the suction tube here and you connect it to this. It's just going to hang there like this. Then this hose piece right here that's going to carry the solution clicks into the top like that. You want to make sure you hear that click, and that when you pull up on it, it's not going to come out. The cleaning tool for the Rug Doctor is a really useful tool for cleaning couches, sofas, any kind of upholstery. It gets connected in the back as I showed you before, but if you've got a trouble spot, there's a little bit of a dark stain right here, there are some pre-treatments that you can apply to that first if you want to ensure that you're going to be able to get the stain out using the upholstery tool. Now on the Rug Doctor, the switch on the top says both carpet and tool. So since I'm using the tool, I'm going to hit the button on that. Now you want to make sure that you test out an area of the couch depending on the fabric, just so you know it doesn't get messed up. I've got the correct cleaner in here for upholstery. And the idea behind it is you're going to place this tool onto the surface. There's a little brush here. You're going to pull the trigger and draw it towards you. This is going to help to kind of sweep across the fibers and stand it up so the suction in the solution can help clean it. Now you can do a little scrubbing. Don't be overly aggressive because you don't want to damage the material. One of the things you're going to be amazed by is how much dirt you pull out of a couch like this, you know, just from general use, or you have pets or you have kids. It gets really dirty even if you don't see actual stains. Now you saw that I was using it. The solution will drip a little bit. I'm on top of carpeting here. You can certainly take that and clean it up as well at the bottom, or you can use a drop cloth. I'm going to use this loose pillow as well. I'm going to clean that, and you're going to do the same thing. You're going to pull that across on all surfaces to clean it. Work every pillow, every surface, and get it as clean as possible. Now this is a 6-foot couch. It would probably take you maybe 20 minutes or so to clean this whole thing, and then it's going to be wet. So you may want to stand them up, maybe put a fan on there, and it may take overnight before you get all of this to dry. And if you take the wand and extract more of the water, you'll speed up the drying time. Coming up next, my video on how to clean the upholstery on your chairs using a Rug Doctor carpet cleaning machine.